Today, I'll walk you through how to connect Mailchimp to your Framer site, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to integrate these two platforms so you can effectively manage your email marketing campaigns. Let's get started. First, head over to Mailchimp. This is where you'll create your email forms. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Mailchimp updates its interface regularly, but the core functions remain the same. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Forms section. This is where you can manage all your email forms. Click on the Forms option in the menu. This will take you to a page where you can see all your existing forms, and from here we will create a new one. Next, click on Other Forms. This option allows you to access additional form types, including embedded forms that you can place directly on your Framer site. Now click on Create Embedded Form. This is an essential step as it generates the code you'll need to embed the form on your website. After that, type in your form name. This could be something like newsletter sign-up or contact form, whatever suits your needs. Naming your form helps you keep track of different forms you may create in the future. Once you've named your form, click on Continue to Builder. This will take you to the Form Builder, where you can customize your form to fit your brand and style. After customizing your form, click on Continue. This will finalize your form setup and prepare it for embedding. Now it's time to click on Copy Code. This code is what you'll need to integrate your Mailchimp form into your Framer site. Make sure to copy it to your clipboard. Now head over to Framer. This is where the magic happens. In Framer, go to the Agents section. Here, you can manage various integrations and functionalities for your site. Finally, provide the necessary instructions and paste your embedded code into the designated area. This step connects your Mailchimp form to your Framer site, allowing visitors to sign up for your emails directly from your website. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Mailchimp to your Framer site. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.